Whispers of the Celestial Scribes. In the celestial realm of Astoria, where galaxies collided in cosmic dances and constellations told tales of timeless wisdom, three friends named Celestia, Orion, and Lyra embarked on a quest to unlock the secrets hidden within the scrolls of eternity. Little did they know that their journey would lead them to the fabled celestial scribes and unravel the mysteries of creation itself. Astoria, a realm bathed in ethereal hues and adorned with celestial wonders, was a place where dreams were woven into the very fabric of existence. Celestia, with her radiant aura and gift for understanding the celestial language, Orion, the stargazer whose eyes held the reflections of distant galaxies, and Lyra, the ethereal dreamweaver with the ability to shape reality through her visions, formed a trio that mirrored the cosmic symphony of Astoria. One celestial night, as the moonbeams painted the heavens in silver and the astral winds whispered secrets, the trio discovered the entrance to the astral archives, an ancient repository that housed the scrolls of eternity. These scrolls, said to be inscribed by the celestial scribes, held the knowledge of the cosmos, from the birth of stars to the dance of galaxies. Guided by a luminous constellation that flickered in the shape of a quill, Celestia, Orion, and Lyra entered the astral archives. The air shimmered with cosmic energies, and the towering shelves were filled with scrolls adorned with symbols that seemed to pulse with the heartbeat of creation. As the trio reached for the first scroll, the room bathed in a celestial glow, and the symbols leaped off the parchment, swirling around them like ephemeral fireflies. The scrolls, it seemed, responded to the presence of the chosen seekers, ready to reveal the cosmic truths that lay within. The first scroll spoke of the celestial scribes, beings of pure starlight who etched the destinies of worlds with quills made of comet tails. Their whispers echoed through the cosmos, guiding the ebb and flow of cosmic energies. Celestia, Orion, and Lyra, drawn to the promise of celestial wisdom, vowed to seek out the celestial scribes and learn the secrets they guarded. As they journeyed through the astral archives, each scroll revealed a fragment of the grand tapestry woven by the celestial scribes. They witnessed the birth of nebulae, the cosmic ballets of celestial bodies, and the harmonies that resonated through the void. However, the scrolls also hinted at a cosmic imbalance and impending disruption that threatened to shatter the delicate harmony of Astoria. Guided by the quill-shaped constellation, the trio's quest led them to the astral nexus, a gateway to the celestial planes where the celestial scribes dwelled. To access the nexus, Celestia, Orion, and Lyra had to gather the cosmic keys scattered across the astral realms, each key attuned to a different aspect of the cosmic order. Their first destination was the Nebula Forge, a realm where stars were born in the fiery cauldrons of creation. Celestia, with her understanding of celestial language, communed with the stellar entities and learned the art of forging a key from the essence of newborn stars. Orion, with his stargazing prowess, navigated the cosmic currents to locate the fragments of a fallen comet, a crucial ingredient for the key. Lyra, the dreamweaver, shaped the vision of the key through her ethereal dreams, infusing it with the harmonies of the celestial realms. As the trio forged the nebula key, the astral energies resonated with their purpose. The key, adorned with the brilliance of 1,000 galaxies, pulsated with the power to unlock the path to the astral nexus. Their next destination was the luminous lyre, a realm where celestial melodies shaped the vibrational threads of reality. Celestia, attuned to the celestial language, deciphered the harmonic codes that resonated through the cosmic strings. Orion, with his deep connection to the stars, tuned the lyre with the frequencies of distant constellations. Lyra, the dreamweaver, contributed visions of harmonious symphonies that wove through the very fabric of existence. The luminous lyre, recognizing the trio's harmony, bestowed upon them the melodic key, a key infused with the cosmic melodies that echoed through the astral planes. The melodic key shimmered with ethereal notes, each one a harmonic resonance attuned to the celestial order. Their final destination was the Dreamer's Observatory, a realm where the dreams of celestial beings shaped the destiny of worlds. Celestia, well-versed in the celestial language, deciphered the visions that danced in the astral winds. Orion, with his stargazing insights, translated the dreams into constellations that adorned the cosmic canvas. Lyra, the dreamweaver, added her own dreams to the celestial tapestry, creating a vision of balance and unity. In the Dreamer's Observatory, the trio discovered the visionary key, a key that held the power to unlock the visions that guided the celestial scribes in their cosmic dance. The visionary key sparkled with glimpses of past, present, and future, revealing the intricate threads of destiny that interwove across the astral realms. Armed with the nebula key, the melodic key, and the visionary key, Celestia, Orion, and Lyra approached the entrance to the astral nexus. The quill-shaped constellation, now brighter than ever, guided them through the ethereal gateway, and the celestial energies embraced them as they stepped into the presence of the celestial scribes. The celestial scribes, luminous beings whose forms flickered like distant stars, greeted the trio with a harmonious resonance that transcended spoken language. In the heart of the astral nexus, surrounded by the cosmic brilliance of the celestial scribes, the trio presented the keys they had forged, the culmination of their celestial journey. The celestial scribes, acknowledging the harmony within Celestia, Orion, and Lyra, began to weave a cosmic tapestry, a tapestry that depicted the balance, unity, and ethereal harmony that the trio had embodied in their quest. The celestial threads glowed with the vibrant hues of nebulae, resonated with the melodies of distant stars, and shimmered with the visions that spanned the ages. As the cosmic tapestry unfolded, the celestial scribes revealed the true purpose of their quest. The impending cosmic imbalance, foretold by the scrolls, could only be averted by the unity of celestial forces, a unity that Celestia, Orion, and Lyra had proven through their journey. The trio, now infused with the cosmic energies of the astral nexus, became celestial envoys, bearers of celestial harmony tasked with spreading balance across the astral realms. The celestial scribes, their radiant forms glowing with approval, bestowed upon Celestia, Orion, and Lyra the Quill of Eternity, a celestial artifact that held the power to etch destinies in the cosmic fabric. Armed with the Quill of Eternity, the trio returned to Astoria, where the celestial brilliance of their presence resonated with the very essence of the realm. The cosmic imbalance, once looming on the horizon, began to dissipate, replaced by a harmonious symphony that echoed through galaxies and constellations alike. Celestia, Orion, and Lyra, now celestial envoys, journeyed across the astral realms, spreading celestial harmony to distant stars and realms unknown. The Quill of Eternity etched stories of unity and balance into the cosmic tapestry, ensuring that the celestial dance continued in perpetual harmony. And so, in the celestial realm of Astoria, where galaxies collided in cosmic dances and constellations told tales of timeless wisdom, the trio's journey with the celestial scribes became a celestial saga, a story of celestial harmony, cosmic unity, and the enduring magic that bound their destinies to the very fabric of creation. The Chronicles of Lumina's Labyrinth. In the mystical land of Eldoria, where ancient forests whispered tales and cascading waterfalls sang songs of magic, three friends named Ilara, Thorn, and Seraphina found themselves drawn into the enigmatic depths of Lumina's labyrinth, a labyrinth said to conceal the key to unlocking the dormant magic within their souls. Eldoria, with its towering trees adorned with bioluminescent leaves and glowing flora that carpeted the forest floor, was a realm where magic and nature existed in perfect harmony. Ilara, gifted with an intuitive connection to the natural energies, Thorn, the stalwart protector with a heart attuned to the rhythms of the earth, and Seraphina, the enchanting artist whose every brushstroke whispered with the magic of creation, formed a trio that mirrored the diversity and wonder of Eldoria itself. One fateful evening, as the moon bathed the land in its silvery glow, the trio discovered a hidden entrance to Lumina's labyrinth, a labyrinth said to hold the key to unlocking the latent magic within those deemed worthy. Guided by an ancient prophecy and the subtle whispers of the forest, Ilara, Thorn, and Seraphina stepped into the labyrinth's mysterious embrace. The entrance, concealed behind a curtain of shimmering vines, led them into a world of shifting pathways, illuminated by ethereal orbs that floated in the air. The labyrinth seemed to have a life of its own, responding to the intentions and energies of those who dared to tread its winding corridors. As the trio ventured deeper, the labyrinth presented them with challenges that resonated with their unique abilities. Ilara, with her intuitive connection to nature, navigated passages that shifted with the changing energies of the forest. Thorn, the stalwart protector, faced trials that tested his resilience and attunement to the earth's vibrations. Seraphina, the enchanting artist, encountered magical murals that responded to the strokes of her brush, revealing secrets and pathways. The labyrinth, it seemed, held a magical symphony that harmonized with the trio's essence, guiding them through its winding passages. As they progressed, they uncovered murals that told the story of Lumina, a mystical being whose magic was said to infuse the very fabric of the labyrinth. Lumina, an ethereal entity with hair woven from moonbeams and eyes that held the constellations themselves, was said to be the guardian of Eldoria's hidden magic. The murals revealed that only those who proved their connection to the natural energies, resilience, and creativity would be granted access to Lumina's inner sanctum, where the dormant magic awaited its awakening. In their journey through Lumina's labyrinth, the trio encountered magical creatures that tested their bonds of friendship. The wisps of whimsy, mischievous beings made of laughter and light, led them through illusions that challenged their trust in each other. The guardians of harmony, majestic creatures with wings of crystallized melodies, measured the harmony of their hearts as they passed through the enchanted grove. As they approached Lumina's inner sanctum, the labyrinth's magic intensified. The air shimmered with anticipation, and the ethereal orbs that guided them glowed with a radiant brilliance. Lumina's presence could be felt, a gentle whisper in the rustle of leaves and the soft hum of magical energies. In the inner sanctum, Lumina awaited them in a chamber bathed in silvery luminescence. The mystical being greeted them with eyes that held the depth of starlit skies and a voice that resonated with the wisdom of ancient forests. You have braved the labyrinth's trials, and your hearts echo with the harmony of Eldoria itself, Lumina spoke, her words a melody that touched the very soul of the trio. To awaken the dormant magic within, you must each embark on a personal journey guided by your unique gifts. Ilara, the intuitive one, was tasked with communing with the spirit of the elder tree and ancient being that stood at the heart of Eldoria. Thorn, the stalwart protector, was instructed to delve into the depths of the crystal caverns, a realm where the earth's energies flowed in crystalline veins. Seraphina, the enchanting artist, was guided to the celestial atelier, a place where her creative spirit would be challenged to weave magic into tangible form. As they embarked on their individual quests, Lumina infused them with a touch of her own magic, a blessing that would enhance their connection to the natural energies of Eldoria. The trio left the inner sanctum with a renewed sense of purpose, guided by Lumina's ethereal wisdom. Ilara, beneath the elder tree's ancient boughs, communed with the spirit of the elder tree, a wise entity that held the memories of Eldoria's past. Through a ritual of whispered secrets and shared energies, Ilara learned to channel the elder tree's essence, grounding her intuitive connection in the roots of Eldoria's history. Thorn, within the crystal caverns, faced trials that tested his resilience and attunement to the earth's vibrations. In the heart of the caverns, he encountered the crystal guardians, ancient entities that resonated with the vibrational frequencies of the earth. Thorn, through his unwavering determination and attunement, earned the crystal heart, a crystal imbued with the earth's energies. Seraphina, in the celestial atelier, faced magical canvases that responded to the whims of her imagination. Guided by Lumina's blessing, she painted visions that transcended the ordinary, infusing her art with the very essence of Eldoria's magic. The celestial atelier, once a blank canvas, now bore witness to the enchanting tapestry of Seraphina's creativity. United once more, the trio returned to Lumina's inner sanctum, each bearing the fruits of their individual quests. Lumina, her eyes sparkling with approval, spoke words that echoed through the labyrinth's chambers. The magic within Eldoria is awakened through the harmonious interplay of nature, resilience, and creativity, Lumina said, her voice a celestial melody. You, dear friends, have proven yourselves as guardians of Eldoria's magic. The dormant energies now surge within you, waiting to be woven into the very fabric of this enchanted land. As Lumina's words resonated through the labyrinth, the trio felt a surge of magic within their beings. The labyrinth itself seemed to respond, glowing with an otherworldly radiance. Lumina, with a graceful gesture, extended her hand, and the trio placed their hands upon hers. In that moment, the dormant magic within Ilara, Thorn, and Seraphina awakened in a symphony of colors, vibrations, and ethereal energies. Lumina's magic interwove with theirs, creating a harmonious dance that echoed through Eldoria. The mystical bonds that connected the trio transcended the physical, forming a magical tapestry that bound their destinies to the very heartbeat of the land. The labyrinth, now aglow with the newfound magic, revealed secret passages that led to the heart of Eldoria. Lumina, with a knowing smile, bid the trio farewell, knowing that their journey had only just begun. As Ilara, Thorn, and Seraphina emerged from Lumina's labyrinth, they found themselves standing beneath the elder tree, its leaves shimmering with the magic that now said through Eldoria. Word of the trio's quest spread through the enchanted land, and the people of Eldoria celebrated the awakening of magic that pulsed within the trio's hearts. Ilara, Thorn, and Seraphina, now revered as the keepers of Lumina's labyrinth, shared the secrets they had learned with the people, fostering a deeper connection between the inhabitants of Eldoria and the magic that bound their realm. And so, in the mystical land of Eldoria, where ancient forests whispered tales and cascading waterfalls sang songs of magic, the trio's journey through Lumina's labyrinth became a legend, a tale of nature's intuition, resilience of the earth, and the enchanting creativity that wove the destiny of Eldoria into an everlasting tapestry of magic.